I have given all of my strength and wisdom to all of the boys here. I have tried to instill into all of you a proper way of conducting yourselves about learning. And learning applies to not just mathematics, but to all subjects. A 100% effort in trying to do as best you know how, using what Hashem, He who has no name, has given you. You should not compare yourself to anybody else, but to yourself. You are in competition not with the next person, but with yourself. That was my mistake growing up. I always wanted to be like the next guy. And then he who has no name says, Wadi, I have given you what I have given you. Utilize it to 100% capabilities and efficiency. Now, He has given me the strength and the will to say to all of you, do what He has given you. Use it to your fullest potential. 100% effort, all your strength to do good deeds, do good mitzvahs for yourself, for your family, for your fellow man, regardless of who they are. If they're respectful, they're your fellow man. That's what He who has no name wants you to do. And He's told me to tell you this. Wadi treats everyone the same, regardless of their sex, or their background, or their religion, or their ethnic background, as long as they're respectful. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. And this class, you have been, for the most part, very respectful. And that's why I try to go out of my way and help you. It came to me when I was about 8 or 9 years old, in the 4th grade. Moshe, I was scared. I was shy. I was insecure. I had moved from the Bronx to Westchester, Mount Vernon. And my teacher in the 4th grade, my regular teacher, said to me, and she was my math teacher, excuse me, and her name was Miss Hanauer, and I still remember her name. She said to me, Mr. Wachtel, yes, Miss Hanauer, you are going to be special someday. What do you mean by that? I am only 8 or 9 years old. What do I know about that? You work hard, Mr. Wachtel. I watch you. You are not perfect. I says, I try to be. She said, no one is perfect. Only the man upstairs. That sounds good. Mr. Wachtel, you are going to be teaching math to the world someday. Me? Me? Yes, Mr. Wachtel. You. And I call you Mr. Wachtel. And I call the other students by their first name, because I have a lot of respect for you already, Mr. Wachtel. And you're only 9 years old. You are special. You are lucky. You have been picked by the man upstairs as the chosen one. These are some of His laws that He has given to you. Laws of knowledge and wisdom and goodness. You shall study these laws from everlasting to everlasting and continue to learn. Now go now and declare math and all knowledge to all the people. Feed knowledge punch into your brain as if you were eating at the Shabbos table and taking a piece of challah. Or on Pesach and dipping the bread into the bitter herbs. And remember what that stands for. The hardships that we've been under. And what we went through. There is a reason for everything. And there is a reason why God gave these math laws to all of us. To all of us. Not just to a one group. But we, as a people, have to show and demonstrate to other people, besides the math laws, a code of conduct, a code of moral conduct. How to conduct yourself on an everyday basis. That is all I have to say. I am who you've been waiting for 5,000 years. I am who has sent me. I am who has sent me. For all of you. I am Mashiach. Yes, which one?